Hi, this is Ingrid from Quiltessential Co, and we're doing December 2021, the last block of the month for the year. And this is your beautiful block. So I'm going to show you how to cut it out right away. I just wanted to let you know that we have announced and made a new video for you to watch about the new 2022 block of the months. And our theme this year is a little bit of black. And so you might want to check out those colors. And they will also be on our website. So feel free to look at that. And now let's get cutting. So 4 A squares, 4 B rectangles, 4 C squares, 8 D squares, and 1 E. And with this, we're going to make our beautiful block. So let's get sewing. So again, we're normally making our kite shape here. So this is A, line up the fold, and when you put it down and cut it, that will give you your A shape, and you'll have 4 of those. And B, right sides together, step 2 of the ruler, turn your ruler over, cut on step 2. Before you do too much more, find step 3 and just take off those little pieces of your B unit. Make it a lot easier to sew and a lot more accurate. So now you have A and your B's so that you can put them together like this. So once you've sewn them together like this and pressed them the way I told you, this is where you square them up, trim one, make sure that you put that right in that little triangle, and your straight diagonal line should be right on the corner of your piece, and you'll have a little bit to trim up. So here's trim 1, turn it around, and trim 2. So you will be making 4 of those, and then we're going on to our star points. So now you have your D square, and your C big square, and you're just going to lay 1 on the top corner over here and put your line of your folded corner clipper, or mark the diagonal on that D and cut that off. So that's what I did here, just to show you. So I cut that off, and then you sew down. You are going to be pressing out to D. Then you need to rotate your block so that you can add another D onto here, and put your folded corner clipper on here again, cut up here, and sew that piece together. You will then have your nice piece with C, D, D. Just check to make sure it is exactly 3.5 inches. I'm using my quick trim ruler here, and it's pretty darn close, but I have just a tiny little bit that I could trim off that. So that just makes it just a little bit more accurate. When you assemble your block, you will have 4 of these. You will have a center block right here, and you've already made your A and B's to go over here. Sew them in rows, press the way I've told you, and there you go. So thank you for sewing with me today. This is our last block of the month. It's been a great year. Even though it's difficult, we can still get together and sew, and that's really important. So so that you know, for finishing up of your blocks, I design about 15 different things that you can do with the 12 blocks you made this year, or you may have made 24, and you may have made 36 actually. And so I will design things for your blocks. Those designs and the finishing fabrics will be ready in February or March. The reason that there's a delay is because often we have shipping problems, especially now. So we can't guarantee when all those fabrics are going to be here. We'll do our best, and we will let you know when they are. So this is Ingrid from Quiltessential Co in St. Albert, and I hope you've had a great time. And if you like this video, click like or subscribe. Thank you.